W represents the width of the room. Since the length of the room is 5 feet longer than its width, we can write the value of the length as W plus 5. Adding the lengths of the four sides of the rectangle, we get the total length of the perimeter, W plus 5 plus W plus W plus 5 plus W, which must be equal to the perimeter, 90 feet. Collecting like terms, we group all the W's together on the left. We then simplify the equation by writing W plus W plus W plus W as 4W and 5 plus 5 as 10. We can then eliminate the 10 on the left by subtracting 10 from both sides of the equation, which allows us to cancel the negative 10 and positive 10 on the left. Completing the arithmetic on the right side, we subtract 10 from 90 to get 80. We can then eliminate the coefficient 4 on the left by dividing both sides by 4, which allows us to cancel the 4's in the numerator and denominator of the fraction on the left, leaving us with the equation W equals 80 over 4, or W equals 20. Setting the value of W to 20, we see that the width of the room is 20 feet, and the length is 25 feet. This solution is reasonable, since we are told that the length of the room is 5 feet longer than its width, and the sum of the lengths of all four sides, 25 plus 20 plus 25 plus 20, is equal to the perimeter, which is 90 feet. For our next example, let's try a slightly more complex geometrical problem. We are asked to build 3 identical dog pens where each pen's length is twice its width plus 3 feet. We are told that the pens are to be built side by side so that each pen shares a fence with the adjacent pen. We are also told that we have exactly 180 feet of fence, all of which must be used to enclose and separate the pens. However, we are not told the dimensions of the pens. Fortunately, using algebra, the length and width of the pens can be calculated. To find the length and width, we assign the unknown variable to either quantity and write the other quantity in terms of that variable. Let's let the variable W represent the width of a pen. Since the length of a pen is twice its width plus 3 feet, we can write the length as 2W plus 3. Adding the lengths of each fence segment, the total length of the fence is 2W plus 3 plus W plus W plus 2W plus 3 plus W plus W plus 2W plus 3 plus W plus W plus 2W plus 3, which is equal to 180 feet. Collecting like terms, we group all the terms containing W together on the left. We then add these terms to get 14W and add the 4 3's to get 12.